A popular footballer was shot dead and another man injured when gunmen invaded a home on Water Street in Denham Town, West Kingston, Tuesday morning. The dead man has been identified as former Boys Town player 40-year-old Rafiq Thomas. The injured man has been hospitalized. Reports said that about 4:40 a.m., armed men entered the house and opened gunfire, hitting both men. Thomas, police said, died on the spot in his bed upstairs. The police said the now injured man received gunshot wounds to his cheek, right palm, and left elbow while in his bed at the front of the premises. Residents assisted him to hospital where he is being treated in stable condition. Thomas scored the winning goal that helped Boys Town win the Championship League last season in the final against Constant Spring. He has also played for several local clubs including Waterhouse, Harbourview, Tivoli Gardens, and Humber Lions. No motive has yet been established for the attack, the police said. Police are currently investigating an attempted robbery which led to the seizure of a pistol with a magazine containing 2 9mm rounds after the victim managed to disarm his attacker during a confrontation in Portmore on Monday. Reports from the Portmore police are that about 9:30 p.m., a man and a woman were parked on the roadway in Silverstone when a gunman approached them with a firearm and demanded their cell phones. The man allegedly refused and a tussle ensued. During the altercation, the man reportedly managed to disarm the gunman, who then escaped on foot in the community. The weapon was subsequently handed over to the police and was packaged for ballistic testing. An Ananda alert has been activated for 15-year-old Redian Wilson of Zion Hill District, Ferry Hill, Portland, who has been missing since Wednesday, May 8. She is of brown complexion, medium built, and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Sansan police are that Redian was last seen at home about 7 p.m., dressed in a long-sleeve blouse and black pants. All efforts to locate her since have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Redian Wilson is asked to contact the Sansan police at 876-993-7315 or the 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station.